Crypto experts said it would be impossible to buy Shiba Inu after that. What are the prospects of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency? What are the latest news about this cryptocurrency? We will answer these questions in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Investment Channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. The live Shiba Inu price today is $0.000011 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $301 million USD. We update our SHIB to USD price in real time. Shiba Inu is down 2.47% in the last 24 hours. While SHIB investors are waiting for a new peak, asset volatility and trading volume have decreased over the past few days. This shows that the consolidation phase occurred before the new movement. Usually, a price stuck in a narrow range is seen as a sign of a subsequent serious breakthrough. During this period, a narrow trading range was formed for the SHIB price between the support levels of $0.000050 and the resistance of $0.00055. The fact that the pair managed to break out of the descending triangle indicates that the downtrend has stopped, at least for the moment. If the bulls are fully engaged, they can push the SHIB coin to an uptrend again. It's been more than a year since Shiba Inu reached its staggering all-time high, and so far the token whales remain unperturbed in the face of declining performance. The evidence of this relentless loyalty was once again demonstrated when one of the leading SHIB whales spent an amount on an intelligent blog to collect a 2.8 trillion token. According to the Etherscan transaction, the accumulated amount was $26.12 billion, taking into account the value of SHIB at the time of publication. It should be noted that this particular whale was notorious for capturing SHIB in incredibly huge numbers. Upon closer examination of the wallet, it turned out that in the period from November 9 to November 10, the whale accumulated SHIB in the amount of about $2.3 million. After the operation, SHIB showed that he was still in an unusable condition. This happened because the meme coin was able to increase only 1.57% in the last 24 hours. Based on the daily chart, the convergence-divergence of moving averages, MACD, showed that SHIB has the potential to restore sustained bullish strength. This was due to the fact that the exponential moving average, EMA, from 12 to 26 closed above the histogram. However, the strength of sellers, orange, and buyers, blue, was below the midpoint. The graph above showed that both were moving towards a positive area. Consequently, there was a possibility of switching to bullish control, especially since the purchasing power slightly exceeded the sellers. The balance volume, OBV, readings showed proximity to the bullish area. Thus, an indication that a further increase on the chart may mean strong buying pressure. As for its status in the chain, SHIB has suffered a sharp drop due to its stock inflows. According to Sentiment, the inflow of currency initially rose to $223 billion on December 8. At the time of publication, it has decreased to $25.16 billion. The explanation for this decline was that SHIB investors refused to reset the token. Consequently, this signaled less pressure from sellers. Foreign exchange outflow, on the contrary, decreased to $17.74 billion. Since it was a downturn, he concluded that the buying pressure was also not exceptional. Thus, the likely trend for SHIB will remain around $0.000009. Shiba Inu, SHIB, still commands a good amount of crypto investors' attention despite losing so much of its value over the last year. This is evidenced by the continuous rise in the number of addresses that are holding the meme coin. Once again, the SHIB holder number has hit a new milestone as it crosses 3 million wallets. The crypto market has been in limbo lately as most of the digital assets in the space consolidate, but Shiba Inu has been seeing some good momentum in terms of its holder base. Data from Glassnode shows a slow but steady climb in the number of wallets holding SHIB tokens on their balances, and as the year draws to an end, it has reached new peaks. Shiba Inu addresses have now crossed 3 million, growing even as the price of the meme coin has continued to tank. The graph shows an inverse relationship between the two during this time. Also, it shows a significant portion of growth just this year alone as Shiba Inu addresses grew by hundreds to thousands. Interestingly, even as the number of addresses continues to rise, the number of active SHIB addresses remains low during this time. It currently sits at less than 5% of the total addresses despite the 35% growth in total addresses recorded this year. Shiba Inu now looks to have found a point to balance it, and active addresses are now less than 10% of what it was at their peak back in November 2021. Just like the rest of the market, the Shiba Inu price remains drastically low. It has not been helped by the multiple collapses that have been witnessed in the market, and altcoins have suffered greatly for it. SHIB's price is currently one of the market's worst performers, already losing more than 89% of its all-time high value. Additionally, SHIB is currently trading below the critical level of $0.00001. Since the meme coin broke below this level, all indicators have turned bearish for both the short and the long term. Low momentum in the market leaves little liquidity flowing down to altcoins such as SHIB, which has greatly impacted its price. For SHIB to record another bull trend, it would need to break and sit well above the $0.00001 level with multiple daily closes above this point. Otherwise, the bears will continue to remain in control. Nevertheless, the digital asset is up 23% from its most recent cycle low, which points to some belief among holders. But as the market ushers in the holidays, the low liquidity and market momentum could see SHIB fall to $0.000005. Meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu, SHIB, has traded sideways in recent weeks as the general market felt the effects of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange collapse. However, despite the inability to mount a significant rally, SHIB is attracting interest from investors, as exhibited by the number of holders. In particular, as of December 11th, SHIB had 1,258,320 holders, adding about 7,083 holders in December from 1,251,237 recorded at the start of the month. In this case, SHIB has added an average of 643 new holders daily in December, according to data provided by Etherscan. Indeed, SHIB holders are attempting to recover from a deep decline in November. For instance, the asset lost almost 9,000 holders in the last week of November. Notably, SHIB price has mainly traded in the red zone across December, with the asset struggling to find a bottom that would trigger an uptrend. By press time, Shiba Inu was trading at $0.000092, while at the start of the month, the asset was valued at $0.000093. The December chart shows the token peaked on December 5 at $0.00000099. It is worth pointing out that the struggling SHIB prices are reflected in the amount of money made by holders. As per a Finbold report on November 21, about 76% of SHIB holders were in loss, while only 15% were in profit. SHIB is far from the highs of 2021, with tokens suffering the impact of the general market correction. Chances of a bullish momentum were derailed after the FTX debacle. However, SHIB is likely to benefit from possible network adoption news. In fact, the coin found some relief after Elon Musk acquired Twitter with speculation that SHIB might be integrated as a payment option on the social media giant. However, Shiba Inu has not fully capitalized on the development. At the same time, the SHIB community on CoinMarketCap remains bullish regarding assets prospects. The community leveraging the price estimate feature has predicted that SHIB will likely trade at $0.000011 by December 31st. Furthermore, as reported by Finbold, factoring in several technical indicators, a machine learning algorithm has predicted that the decentralized finance (DeFi) asset is set to trade at $0.000010 on December 31, 2022. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.